Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a single serve chai tea hot chocolate. This cozy and slightly spicy drink is perfect for fall. Let me show you guys how to make it. This chai tea hot chocolate only has 4 organic ingredients. And you guys don't need a chai concentrate or a chai syrup. We're going to make this with a good old-fashioned organic chai tea bag. The tea bag is going to add loads of flavor and it makes this chai hot chocolate so easy to make. So first we're going to start by adding our tea bag into a mug. Now we're just going to set this aside and we're going to make our hot chocolate. And so now we're going to add our milk into our pot, and I'm using whole milk today. But you guys can use your favorite milk. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk for this, anything works. Next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cane sugar, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Dutch cocoa powder. And now I'm making my own cocoa mix here with the mix of cane sugar and Dutch cocoa powder. But if you guys want to use a pre-made cocoa mix that you like I love Lake Champlain organic cocoa mix, that one's great. You could just do that in place of the cocoa and sugar instead. That will also work. Now we're going to put this over the stovetop and we're going to heat it to about 140 to 160 degrees. And if you guys have a drink thermometer, I highly recommend using one. That way you don't burn the milk. It's important not to burn the milk whenever making cocoa because that burnt flavor will transfer into your hot chocolate and it does not taste good. Milk will burn around 180 degrees. So that's why I say to heat it to about 140 to 160. I believe that 140 is like the perfect drinking temperature. This is the temperature that we heated our hot chocolates to at my bakery and everybody loved it. But if you like it extra hot, then go for 160. Now that our cocoa is done, we're going to pour it over the tea bag. Then we're going to steep the chai tea bag in the cocoa for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is going to get all that flavor of the chai into our hot chocolate. So if you guys are going to add fresh whipped cream, then you want to leave room at the top. Now we're just going to let this chai tea bag steep in the cocoa for a few minutes, just like if you were making a regular cup of tea. Now it's time to add our homemade whipped cream, and I'll link that recipe in the description for you guys. Now this last part is totally optional, but you guys can garnish with a cinnamon stick if you like. And you can also add a little sour anise on top too. Now this is ready to enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more cozy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.